Hi friends, this is challenge has been given by my friend to count value which contains text, special characters and numbers in one cell. So you have to find separately how many numbers are there, how many special characters are there, how many alphabets are there separately. So here I'm sharing the screen for the solution. Don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you will not able to understand properly. See, what I'll do, see, observe guys, what I'll do here, count of alphabets are there. Okay. So I use ABC here. So what will happen here? It will show us 3 and remaining 0. Okay. See, let's see. Okay. If I use 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 something, so numbers will count as a 5 and remaining should 0. Okay. If I use any special characters like this, the special characters will count and remaining should 0. Okay. So here is the solution how I'll do this one. Right. First of all, alphabets. So what I'll do, I'll separate each and every character in a cell like this. See, direct. And this solution you will not show in any of sources like social networks like ChatGPT, AI, YouTube, Google. No source it will show you this type of solutions. I'm damn sure. Okay, I'm separating the values one. Okay, F9. So it will separate each and every value separately. So what I'll do, I wrap this in a bracket. It's greater than or equal to special character A. Sorry, alphabet A. F9. So wherever it finds the special character, sorry, alphabets, it will show you the true and remaining are all falses. Okay. Wherever it finds the alphabets, it will show us the true and remaining or falses. So I convert this into numbers by using double negative F9. Now I count how many are there by using some product. Okay. It will work in all versions from 10. See here. 9. Here also one special character is there. For that reason, it will show us the see special character. We need only the alphabets. So here alphabet is not there. For that reason, it's showing 0. Wherever alphabets found, it will show the number count of the alphabets. Else it will show us the 0. Now coming to special characters. So same formula I copy from here, but little bit of changes. Okay. Control C, F2, Control V. So I remove double negative here. Okay. Equal sign, close parenthesis. Okay. We need to count special characters. So what I'll do, I use less than into Control V, the same formula. What I said, just changes you have to make. Here you have to use less than 1 because it is in a text format. This is the text in format, so you have to use number as a text. Then only it will work. Otherwise, if you use 1, it will not, it will thinking that it is not found. Right. Because here I will show you, here I will show you what it is actually. It will show all the things F9. See, all text, including number also. For that reason, you have to use less than 1 for special characters. I'm not counting for numbers, special characters. F9. So 3 are the special characters. Let's check it out. Percentage underscore at the rate. Only 3 characters are there which are special characters. So simply use some product over here. Or you can use sum also. It will work from since 2010 to 365. All right. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Right. Understood, guys? Now, coming to count of numbers. Okay. The same formula again also. Little bit of changes. What I'll do, I'll wrap this in another bracket into open parenthesis control V. We need now we need what we need. We need the count of numbers, right? So make it sure that where it went wrong, somewhere went wrong here. Let me check. Okay. It is greater than 1. Okay. Here you have to use greater than 1. Greater than or equal to text format 1. Why it's showing this one? I think that's special characters. Where it went wrong, it has to show. Wait a minute. Right. Equal sign. Okay. So numbers and here not greater than, it should be less than. Okay. Less than A. That's it. Okay. See. F9. Okay. Somewhere I forgot to. Okay. Special bracket. Another bracket. Or it is. Okay. Another bracket over here. Done. Here also another bracket. F9. See, only one number is there. Okay, control Z. Now use same function, some product. Some product. I always use some product for that reason. I use some product. You can use some also. I'm very much like this some product function. Okay. Now see. This is the magic in Excel. Yes, this is also a number. Okay. 5 is a number, right? That's it. If it is text also, it will pick up 5 is a number. That is the magic of Excel. Okay, even any social networks, if you think like YouTube, anything, it will not show these type of solutions. It will show some else, but not this type. This is the magic of Excel 2010 functions. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. For more videos, click on bell icon so that you'll get notification whenever I upload a new video.